Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. Before going into the video, we request all of our viewers to subscribe our channel and also promote it. Today, our point of discussion is based on the 5 elements of nature. The 5 elements are earth, fire, air, water and space. We all know that these 5 elements play significant role in our life. Without these 5 elements, we cannot survive. Now, what is the role of earth here? Earth is solid that gives all the minerals which are required for the beings and non-beings of the existence. Now comes fire. Fire gives heat, and our body also need temperature. So to maintain the temperature of the body, we need fire. Now after that comes the air. Air has the moving capacity. Air is a vital force. Without air, nobody can live. Air supplies oxygen so that we survive here. So it is also one of the most important aspects of the existence. Now comes water. Water consists of oxygen, hydrogen, oxygen and hydrogen. So what are the importance of oxygen and hydrogen? All the human beings, they know. So without water, we can't survive here. Also now space. Space occupies all the beings of the world. Space is very important. Without space, we can't exist here. Now, let us come to the spiritual significance of these 5 elements. All these 5 elements are there in our body. In that sense, we are the 5 elements. So, without understanding the 5 elements, we will not have a better understanding about the existential life. Since we are concerned about the life, we must be responsible for these 5 elements. Without these 5 elements, we cannot survive here for even a moment. So an aspirant who tries to understand the 5 elements is known to be a yogi. A yogi wishes to be united with the nature so that all the conflicts will be coming to end. The yogi's main aim is to end the conflict. So also a spiritual seeker. What is the main aim of a spiritual seeker? Life consists of so many conflicts. We can give an example of one type of conflict. We have divided the earth on the basis of so many countries, so many places, geographical locations, and we are attached with those geographical locations. And we claim that we belong to that place and this place, etc. So that lots of conflicts are in between the human beings. Even war takes place in the name of countries. This is my country and that is your country. On this basis only war takes place. So every human being must understand the role of these 5 elements. If we understand these 5 elements, there will be no conflict in our life. Now, let us see how these 5 elements work together. They don't have any conflicts. They all work together to give strength to the beings on the earth. So we are to respect these 5 elements. If we learn to respect these 5 elements, we will be able to respect others also. Now we hate other human beings. Why? That is a very important question. Because all these things are made from the same 5 elements. Nobody is different. Each and every human beings, not only human beings, animals, etc. All the beings on the world are from these 5 elements only. So a spiritual seeker is concerned about studying the five elements always. It becomes a meditation for him. So meditating on the five elements, he comes to the understanding that there is no difference between him and the five elements. So by studying the five elements, one day he comes to encounter the inner core of all these five elements. Once he may be able to transcend the limitations of five elements also. It is said that a spiritual aspirant wants to go beyond time, go beyond violence, go beyond time, go beyond all the limitations that has been created by the mind. So by studying these five elements and being one with them, a goodness of life will happen. It is very much certain. So to reach a better understanding and a clarity on life, we have to study and observe how these five elements are working. There is no quarrel between them, but we see amongst human beings lots of conflicts are there. So one who observes the five elements, he will be free from all the conflicts. So his life will become a significant life. He can teach others the oneness of life. So to experience the oneness of life, we have to find a way so that nature gives an opportunity to each and every human being to experience this oneness. Once again, we will come up with another one video about some other aspect of life.